Assalamu alaikum. So it seems like I'm in Hyderabad. बाहर देखना है तो दमाम दिख रहा, लेकिन अंदर देखे तो पूरे हैदराबादीज हैं. I love it. But I think I'm a bit disappointed. There are people who are coming on the way, but we had to start. And आप लोग जो आए हुए हैं हैदराबादी नहीं होंगे क्योंकि आप लोग टाइम पे आए. I don't know how. Okay. So Fliv, when I started, okay, and the events we did last time, I used to say how we started and how we struggled and so on. But today's speech is a bit different, okay? So I start with, we completed serving 500 customers since 4 years now. So 500 means 500 families have trusted us, bought from us, and we even help them in reselling. I learned a lot of business values and more importantly, ethical values. Learned that growth requires constant endurance and persistency. My only focus today is to be honest and transparent in running Fliv. I live by this thoroughly, no doubt in it. This event mark a historical day in the Fliv's timeline, since it's our first international sales meet and fortunately in Al Khobar. This was totally unplanned. We wanted to start with Jeddah, but then there came the suggestions that the people in Al Khobar travel a lot around after the weekend, so they sleep early. So we had to come here first on Thursday night. Tomorrow we are going to Riyadh and then Jeddah on the Saturday night. Moving forward, looking at the market need in Hyderabad, we require 100 more companies like Fliv. Believe me. And I think people are buying from us not because we have excellent locations or we do great development, but there's one word, I think, trust. People are just buying from us because of trust, and I maintain that thoroughly again. I talk to people, any grievances, anything, I'm always accessible to them. So, moving forward, then I'm a consultant to 3 real estate companies, upcoming companies like Fliv, like how we were back 4 years back. I'm nurturing them, I'm consulting them, I'm helping them to build trust in the market. And because we have huge demand, okay, in the community where trustworthy companies has to prosper, okay? And anyone here who want to open real estate business can approach me in the end as well, okay? I'll be much more happy. So Fliv's vision is very simple, to work for the betterment of society in whole. At Fliv, I take care of all the stakeholders and I'm reachable for any queries or grievances. We believe in building lifetime relationships, and we have built so in the last 4 years. Believe me, we have people who are coming from Dubai in Riyadh's event just to be with us. They are our investors or customers. They would love to attend the events of Fliv. And people here, like all the new faces, we never met them. Few might be our customers out here, okay? But all the new people who come to us, we try to build great relations, okay? And we never push on sales, is what we always say in the reels. We always want to understand your requirements, and we are very, very kind enough, we are very considerate. Okay, you miss payments on EMIs or something, we always stand with you. We never raise the price, we never take back the plot, okay? There are people who are not paying us since maybe 6 months, but we are always standing with everyone around. People know us for transparency. That's the number 1 word, okay? Transparency, integrity, honesty, kindness, and easygoing. We're very easygoing people. With the landowners, with the customers, with the employees, I personally, okay, I'm very easygoing, okay? You can see that once we meet post this event. Concluding the talk today, I just want to keep it very short. So, because I'm open for the Q&A as well. Concluding the talk today, I request all of you to experience us today. Our sales team and myself came a very long way. I think you guys are witnessing something very rare to find in Dammam or Al Khobar, okay? So we came from a very long way and to your workplaces to simply make your investment journey super smooth. And you have any kind of doubt, I say this again, any kind of doubt, we are here. I'm here personally. My team is there. All are able people serving 500 customers. I repeat that, okay, in 4 years. So we have been consistent. My vision for Fliv is to generations after generations, okay? I don't eye profits today. And my 500 customers stand with me and they saw that personally. So you can be a part of that. And fortunately, again, I see people here who came a long way again. It's a beginning of your weekend, but you all came, and there are people who are coming. I'm nervous because they might miss my speech again, okay? And then we are going to Riyadh, so I'll be back maybe after 1 year. I don't know, okay? Or maybe next month. If this turned out to be very good in terms of sales, we'll come back very soon as well. But at least once in a year, we'll be back. So people who are on the way, I would love to meet them as well once they come in. So again, the strength here is only 45. Families came, but on the way are at least 60 people. So I'm just like, okay, they're coming, they are on the way. My sales team is outside calling them, and that's it. So thank you. And as I believe, buying a plot, this is very important. In the end, I wrote this. As I believe, buying a plot via Fliv is becoming an upcoming trend. So kind of like, did you buy a plot from Fliv? Again, I repeat, we are not having excellent locations. We are not great in terms of development, but what we strive is very important, trust. Okay, we cannot misuse anyone's money, okay? That's number one priority. So if you invest, we register your plots, okay? We registered your plots, and that's how we live it.